Hello friends, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can solve Twitter not working or Twitter application not opening problem on your Android mobile. So before I start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Twitter app not working on your Android phone, simply first of all just go to settings and then go to app settings and just do the same as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem. After following all these steps, hope so your issue is resolved. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.